Studio City had a design district, this home would be the centerpiece. This isn't a spec home. This is a collaboration between two of the best. Step outside and it just keeps getting better. With a guest house that feels like a boutique hotel. This isn't just a home, it's a creative sanctuary. Minutes from the studios, talk to your schools, and the best of Studio City. Call, text, or DM me for a private showing. Looking forward to meeting you.